Hello YouTube land, welcome back to the channel. I hope you appreciate this wonderful view from the Okanagan Lake here in Kelowna, British Columbia. So today we're going to be going over a very simple but effective way to hop on and off your motorcycle with little or no strain at all. Mainly if you have tall bikes like mine. This one is 32 inches, my seat height, so it's pretty high. Or if you have a shorter bike but you have short legs. So my idea is to help you to do this easier because I will tell you, I have been doing this wrong for more than 38 years. So it's going to be very quick, very simple, and I hope it helps you. The only caveat is it doesn't work really well if you have a floorboard. But if you have an adventure bike, a cruiser, a sport touring motorcycle like mine, or a street bike, this methodology is going to work really well for you. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's give her. So let's go over the easier way to mount and dismount your motorcycle without pulling a muscle. As you can see, this motorcycle is pretty high, right? So if I go like I used to go, I'll go like so, and 90% of the time I would hit my top bag, which causes scratches, scuffs, and that sucks. So then also to get off the bike, I'll go like so. Pretty nasty, very hard. What I used to do, I would kind of hold my pants and pull it up and go like so, bang. So doable, right? And that's how most people do. But there's a better way and much simpler way. So let's get off the bike like I used to do. So here's what we're gonna do. First thing, regardless of what we're doing now, the bike should be always in first gear for safety, because then you know the bike is not gonna go up or down the street. So always park your motorcycle on the first gear. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold the brake, the front brake here, put our foot here, and just stand and over, and you sit. Right? Much easier. To get off the bike, up and over. Pretty simple when you see it, right? But I have been doing this wrong for more than 30 years. So, and you may ask, how about the other side? Can I do that? Yes, we can. You just need to be mindful that if the bike is very light, it may try to tip your way. So just be quick, right? Hold the brake, put your foot here, up and over, right? Pretty simple. Off the bike this way, up and over. Done. Question that someone may be thinking about. Is there a problem putting our weight onto the peg? And I can tell you that just looking the bolt size and the metal bracket, each foot peg can hold more than 700 pounds, right? So I don't believe I know anyone that weighs that much, but it's pretty safe. Plus, it's just for a few seconds, right? There's no strain. Don't worry about breaking your foot peg because it's meant for a much higher capacity. So that's basically what I want to show in this short 5-minute video or less, is something simple that may help people with short legs and tall bikes, or either or with short legs or tall bikes. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, give me the famous thumbs up. Don't forget please to subscribe right here. It's free, and subscribing not only help me in my channel, but you're gonna get a notification when new videos like just this one gets released. Okay, my friends, that's it for today. As always, be good, be safe, and let's keep the rubber side down. Ciao.